Maybe taking a look at stock ticker symbol ECEZ, currently traded at 0029. Look at this thing starting to set up over here underneath. But you guys come down, taking a look at the past. Okay, so looks like that. Okay, we're gonna focus more on what's going on right now. That's not gonna help us out too much in that area. Coming back down to right here. Moving on that, there's not going to be that much between there. That's kind of good. Look at that. There's a pretty big area through getting past that resistance. This thing could really move quick off that 0034 break. Watch this one. There is a little bit of a gap. It did come down and partially fill the gap is how I like to say it. I mean, these gaps are pretty confusing even for myself at times. You know, it came back down. It filled it, tapped off the 10-day. Does not a solid close. A lot of the gaps, you know, one of those things we can look into more later, but the volume is climbing right now with this one. All right. I mean, this right now, this video is focused more on the technical analysis to look for now. Look at how this thing turned bullish for the first time since February 14th in a month. Just a downtrend for a month, finally starting to turn around. Nice volume starting to pick up here the last few days. 1, 2, the 14th, the 15th, the 16th, and the 17th. This is going to look like it might break through a record volume day today if it continues. ECEZ setting up right now silently, guys. Pay attention to it. You do have that gap, like I said, but it's partially filled. 0021 to the 0022. Not going to be huge. Let me see the close and then the open. Very small gap, but it did come back down. This could be setting up really nicely here. What you're going to be looking for moving forward, you're going to have a little bit of a resistance right now that you guys are fighting on, which is going to be at that 0030. That's where it's currently at right now. That's where the support line is. And then the 30-day simple moving average is at 0031. Watch for the break of that 3-1. If you guys break through there, the momentum might really start picking up here. Notice how the volume's up high, even though today that it did get to the 3-4. Notice the volume starting to come in. It's getting close to that 30-day. This thing gets through that 30-day. I'm going to tell you right now, in my personal opinion, might not happen today, possibly on Monday if the volume continues. It could break through that 330 and get to 0049 fairly quick. This is the only trading area that you have in there. It's not much, so it won't take that much volume to push you through there. I mean, we're talking 27 million shares traded then compared to your 75. You've already got more volume traded today than you did in this entire area, roughly. Yes, roughly. Right there. So watch for it. Watch for that break of there. Setting up for a technical analysis alert. I am going to jot down the gap there, but there's a good possibility with this momentum it's going to pop right off of this.
All right, so the latest press release was on December 7th, 2016. I'm not seeing anything recent, so I'm not really sure what's going on in regards to all this volume that's coming into the company. All right, so on that day, they basically, Ecoscience, or the company, is pleased to publicly announce its recent hire in November 2016 of Dan Cohen as the company's new chief operating officer with over 28 years of experience in the products industry. Mr. Cohen's main focus will be developing and implementing the company's sales and marketing campaigns, including establishing retail sales channels, industry and commercial sales channels, and infomercials featuring the company's products, as well as overseeing its day-to-day operations. So Dan Cohen is an innovative, results-oriented marketing sales professional with over 28 years of experience and a passion for building brands. He has proven success in the areas of marketing, sales, digital advertising, new product launches, and established both retail and commercial distribution. That goes on more about like where he's from and everything else. Let's see, I want to see what this company does. All right, so Ecoscience Incorporated, they focus on building, acquiring, and investing in businesses around ecological and life sciences, from wastewater remediation to healthcare and more. Ecosciences Incorporated is committed to building a better living environment for all people. Company currently has one wholly owned subsidiary, Ecologic Concepts Incorporated, which operates the company's core business of producing and selling remediation products under the brands Trapeze, Septies, Tankies, and Washies. So they obviously have this product that they're selling. Let's see. So it's patent pending right now too. So it's ecological tablets, let's say. Obviously, there's a lot of different things, like, you know, to obviously learn on this company. So let's see. All right. The other thing I'm seeing right here for the filings, the latest filing was on was a Schedule 14C, and that was on, what day was this? February 21st. And from what I'm seeing on this thing right here, I don't think it's going through, because on the what I'm seeing for the share structure, it's something like 500 million, I believe. But this right here, this 14C, it was more or less on the record date, the board of directors of the company and majority shareholders approved the following corporate action by written consent to amend the articles of incorporation of the company to increase the authorized amount of common stock of the company from 500 million shares to 1,950,000,000. So they're increasing the authorized from 500 million to 1,950,000,000 shares without changing the par value of the thing. So such approval, like, it's already been approved, so it's just not updated. I don't see it over on OTC markets or anything else like that. But then there's more, obviously, information within this thing for you to look at in regards to the share structure and how all the preferreds go and everything else. So as always, if you have an opinion on the company, or you're looking to do more due diligence on the company, go right over to the ECEZ board on Investor Hangout. From there, you see the company profile and the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily. I post them right over there on that ECEZ board.
All right. With the chart again, 003, watch for a break of the 30-day simple moving average, 0031, chart setting up for a technical analysis alert, in my opinion. As long as everything keeps going, look at that, Powell. You guys are starting to climb right now. Resistance at 003. You guys just broke that resistance. Now you're at that second level. Watch for the break of the 0031. I did mean to put the gap in here also. I just want to make sure I have that in there, so if it does end up filling, I know that I marked it and I'm not like, what the heck did I miss? So gap at 002, 1 and 22. I don't know. It's hard to say if that's going to fill. Again, why? Why would I say that? It did partially fill. It dropped below to that 10-day and bounced off of it. It did go down there and fill that level. Like I said, you know, the whole gaps are a little tricky, but the volume is there. You guys break that, watch this thing. This is going to really run after that, my personal opinion, because there isn't much between the level. That's why I said 0031, a break at that 30-day simple moving average, 0049 could come fairly quick. But watch this. If you watch this stock, if you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We'd appreciate it very much. If you have a hot stock that you're following, make sure you head over to investorshangout.com/live. Let us know there. We'll take your hot stock and add it to our list of tickers.